How to log out on Temu application. So let's start. It's gonna be really quick and simple. So open the app. Next, click on this U icon in the middle. And then go settings. And all the way down, and as you can see, there is a sign out. So click on it. And just click sign out, and that's it. I'm gonna show you one more time how to do it. So I'm gonna close this application. And we're gonna open the application again. Go here in the middle, you can find this U icon, click on it. Next, click settings. And all the way down, you can see sign out, click on it. And just click sign out. And this is how can you sign out or log out on Temu application in 2023. Guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe, and see you one click later. Thank you. Goodbye.